Are you looking to live by the beach, relax by the pool, and explore everything that 30A has to offer? If you said yes, then follow me on a tour of Unit 1106 Sanctuary at Redfish. This 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath unit is professionally decorated. So whether you're looking for a second home or a vacation rental, it's turnkey and ready to go. Sanctuary at Redfish has 4 pools. One's heated and 2 hot tubs. Truly, this is one of the most spectacular pools along 30A. All right, we're here with Captain Bob and we're about to board the pontoon boat to go across, is it Big Redfish Lake?
If you're looking for seclusion and privacy, it doesn't get much better than this.